Gana for me churcham. Me mama, chemi mama, ha, me mama jo. Nyame nhyira obia opega na yie. Obi opega na enkoso. Nyame nhyira wo nyina. Wo mo empese Ghana yie, especially mama ne ne NDC. Nyame ntua wo nyina aka mako. Sisi social media. The same excavators pa oma krabigu or the same harbor thousands and thousands and thousands of excavators. And I the who say anajo do me no ani penina de dano. And ya eso mo akre na omo etwe every harbor. Naka say galamsey no nya dia mahama na gru say obesisa no anase obetwam ade wane nua no kofa baaye na election time obegina ho kan say ye votu mano a obemu makotu galamsey no entinka Dr. Bawumia ne hihye pa nka woyen say anka ebe susu ni a cheki Ghana, the whole Ghana, baby, deposits no one. Nas ye two galamsey noa, like I say, a yansan quanso, a face to crown, come back home training near Manema. Ena Ghana for Mokotua Bay, Emma or the same. Sa and Quasia Fui. Na Nipacronoa, or they better or the same social media, and you all can say, ya bre. MPP ni NDC omon ko na party from ra nipa kro no am say na adwene wo form because MPP amemwo no na amemwo kan enti say NDC bu amemwo fun a momfa enkofro NPP na say mo bebe mo a nansan sa me the press no a mahama ene sa corrupt media no anase corrupt journalists no koshia no concept no mko yiye nyansani bia wo ye journalist bia anko ho nemo mo watu otueska ma wo no no wo no ekọ ho ene questions bia ombusa no so enye nyansan questions bia na se nka nyansani wo ho ene o mu busa no question enka ne di kan question eso mu di kan busa no se mahama Uso afremu saye se we protect Ghana ni bia without fear and favor. Let's say wa membo na ubo no eye anyiyimo membo a wotan MPP ne mamo wo shield NDC. Na ke say membo na ubo no wabun say the whole Ghana no represent Emma and NDC for nko say we say who contract ukotrake wamo wonomo wo TikTok for say a criminals e bedidi or the same atem Russia the same blame ne manema wo so na hia ase na se be ye de what the same document chinam ne shitot me track man ye because Bawumia Dr. Bawumia no ne MP before the digitalization by mo se ye Nemom ne Ghana for here especially in Knafo no here shito and chinam ne dokno and here na se be but me the dokno ne chinam akwa track criminals am na yi no sa de na wo se ye criminality no wona wo hase atem didie and na hase and now wo san diska a share kabintera ne or sending kwasia for bi achi eno mo didi mpanifo nyina atem didi opim so atem ya na wo at the same menshia ya no wani ngu and then wo see criminals wo kwachi wo mo wo mom na ye first criminal nanka mo nsentwefo na mekochi ano no senga mo nim nyansa nka ze mo busan se abronye no a wachi wo no a police for be say 1000 ani a soldier for ya wo mo guard no da bia obo kasan because we say we must more protect public purse sa e kase no mo bo afezi kamote musan busa no se wono an nkrofo ye refugees wo Ivory Coast ekwan benso no nko ompe ho dwuma nie nemom okoji Nigeria fo aye deport wo no mo ese ye do ko Nigeria na at the same Nigeria airport ni ho ya ese se ho ne do mo ko se na okoji akada fo begu Ghana no eno ana akwaji wo ma banaka se wa mo the passport na fe wo mde nema katakata wo na wo de obedin samone se wo mo enko ye represent BNI na yenko chichi innocent people krono awo bono wakata so ena wo harazi innocent people waso afne mo so say wo protect every Ghanaian enso so ne eba no yes na wo yo eni tin wo kura no e treason se wo kwafa ho abegu o manum se ne be ya embe be ba amemwo no be ungovernable na nado amemwo pa no obuye no want me amato aso wusina nado nya hwe na matisi yese se na nado e birthday Bank of Ghana edan fefefe bisa ene yesi mo ko commission na mo makwetemu aye adwuma muso na nado nya hwe na yeden na sade ne ba ya fe de mo ko commission sana MPP e birthday sa design Jubilee House no mo si yenkokobuo na mo de kase ade amonti mi anwo no bi wi eye resan ade bone enso ndem na mo te ho amoteta gumum no se bia mu na Ghana for ese mbusa se papa no ne safo ayira na mika se ne safo ayira nya safo ndo mbeti ase ese ko hwe na adwene mu fisese ne osibu ma no enye kwampa so no obu o ma no ibusan se bra okotwiro international airport Kumasi airport no adenti no man ko build airport city because the international airport nemo mo tna wa mana nado wa be build no say international airport standard no mo ko ye wori say sankoko bo na asi ho na mo wi a NDC fo nko na enjoy na sa na ebu o man ununua senya mo from Ghana sika mo wi a Ghana sika na so Ghana fo hwe mo se Ghana fo mo hwe yo Mahama wakwaya tse jataba mo man America kra na mbebe ba no ya obato asim so no mungina mubehunu ehonfa so obese North Korea say o man wontimi mfiri mo empue ebebotuo two classes of citizens, two classes of citizens no ho omo enjoy ni omo hunu mane edigana for mo sorry na Mahama na mambo no hunu so afede wo se yanka no pai bom na nka bom no wadwena nya adwuma ubu o mani ya ene nyame so eboa wo se odesen osoro boa ne oboa no ho ye de emu ahyewo nsa obeboa na watu aso afri babia na nado aduro no wontu aso na wa mo amode odesen NDC nkwasiafo no be compare odesen MPP no nyame betua muka because mo agwini nya adwuma o ma bia nkoso yo ene se ebetua youth no education na nado so eno no wo hya ase yo ya nkwasiafo modern ma wo no mo no o ma bia education eni ho no enkoso ni ho enti mo sorry na akwa no embebe ba no mo nyina mo ba kire mo because kwa me kroma memgo de duru emre bi no na fe won troso obi a the same thing na mo yere yoduo mu a giagis ne hwanfo no high court fo ne supreme court fo mo tane ki no embebe no mo nyina no won troso mo beyew enti mo manu se o ma no mo sorry waka sese o person register ahoho ma ebe ma no ma na daachi no abo mo watena so afi bonti Ghana mo hweye.
So today we joined the MC for Chibi to launch a program against Galamsey, and then I had to follow them to the site where some of the Galamseyers are. Where we are now is a site. You can see the men trying to take off some of the machines and then carry them away. The MC has been telling me that the fight hasn't been easy for them, but they are setting up a committee, a task force to be able to help them to be able to combat Galamsey. The chief of the area also spoke during the inauguration of the task force, and he says that for the past 2 weeks he hasn't had water in his home, and so the Ghana Fire Service are the people who supply him with water in his home for him to use. And so the issue is getting really out of hand. I'm here myself. It's my first time on the Galamsey side. It is very terrible. My assessment is that the MCE needs a lot of men, because when we're coming from this side, if you can see, here are some of the Galamseyers there. Majority of them are kids. Majority of them are kids. So on our way from this side, they all run into the bush and they are there observing us. The men are here, MC is here, and there is nothing they can do. There is nothing they can actually do about these people. They can't run there to arrest them, they can shoot them. And we really couldn't find any elderly person among them. All the people that I've seen with my eyes who were trying to run into the bush were kids. So the question is, are these kids not going to school? The MC has been explaining to me. It looks like the MC is stuck there. He is unable to go. MC, are you sure you can win this fight? Are you sure? You are stuck. You can't move anymore. MC, are you sure you can win this Galamsey fight?
There is a way when there is a will. So since I have the will, I think I'll definitely find a way, and we can conquer this fight. We will conquer it.
You have limited men. I can count a handful of policemen, firemen, and the people you said you've inaugurated a task force with. How are you going to fight Galamsey if you don't have men to fight it with?
I believe, as the government have launched the Anti-galamsey task force nationally, from time to time, since we have been, so when you come to the field, then you can really assess the situation. So since we know how the field is like, now when we are coming again, we will come very prepared, well prepared.
You said you are going to arrest whoever owns this place. How are you going to find out who owns it?
We will definitely find the person. It's just a matter of investigations. We will know. The communities here, they will know the site owner or the sponsor.
The community members are the same people doing the Galamsey. How are they going to tell who owns the place?
It will interest you, the community members. All the people who are doing Galamsey here, I can assure you 95% are foreigners.
So how are you allowing foreigners to come into your land and destroy your land?
That is what the problem is. That's what the problem is. So we would put everything in place. We will curtail it. No
what happens to your boots here now? What are you going to do?
We are trying to get some shovel to get it ducked out. So we are on it. Guys, see my man, he's scared to move forward, but he doesn't know. And he's a short man too.
So we are still here in Chibi. Yes, I wanted to ask you, what kind of machine is that? Are they Galamseyers too?
Yeah, we don't know. We'll go there. From here, we'll go there.
I can hear one making noise in the bush.
Yes. So from here, we'll go there.
MC, I don't think you can do this.
I will.
I don't think you can fight the Galamsey.
There is a will, so I will definitely get a way. Don't worry. Since I have a will, I will get the way.
The chief said he's giving you a month to be able to bring results. Are you able to deliver that?
As I mentioned it to him, that we will need their cooperations as well. Because as you see this land, you cannot just come from your hometown, wherever you come from, and start mining on somebody's land. So, of course, obviously, the chiefs too would have to advise themselves. So, we will, with cooperation, we will all get there.
So now, from whatever I'm getting from you, the problem now is, one, the chiefs. You also mentioned about how it's alleged that some policemen are paid to be able to give hints to these people. and then you also do not have the men to fight this.
The logistics. Sorry. The logistics. Sorry. Yeah, it's not easy. Maybe I've contracted some allergy or something. I'll be fine. You see, the boot is stuck. I don't know if you're video. And this one, so if you don't know where, it could be your leg.
Yeah.
This could be your leg. You can just imagine. That could be your leg. So you see the police officers, they'll be scared. Then when they come, they'll be standing.
Can you show me the police officers? Can you show
they'll
me?
be standing because they are also scared for their lives. You know, they don't know where you don't know where to step. You can end up being in a pit. Now we can't get the boot, but we'll fight ahead. We'll go ahead.
So are you going to leave your boot here?
I have no. It can't. They are not able to get it out. What do we do? So we have to leave it here and continue our journey.
The MC will have to leave his boot here. I hope I don't leave my shoe here as well. if the whole boot can be taken out, I don't know what my shoe is going to do.
Oh yeah, leave it. Let's move forward. Get the work done. Whoever they call when he comes, then and the motor and everything.
Na chama, ana na Musa assassin. What's it, Mantio? Chama, what's it? Say mo chunk of no mo ye na enja mo be che. Chama who boni di.
Your friend again will be adding new I'm friend Papa.
Papa. Na din for na den e wo.
No Papa and be any friend. Some minimum the idea of my friend and Papa.
Until not to chroma.
Or new town will feel minimum fee.
And since the police was some fun and call, won't call over.
Was me,
Officer, I saw him pan if you and see back on a market channel.
Officer, we are still on it, okay?
No, but he said he wants to take you to the person's home now.
He cannot decide.
Who has to decide?
And so please.
When they need you, man.
Papa, no, already more than I'm free, you know what that's my friend is on that. For years, I tell you, Christiana, or friend is there on Brazil. You didn't pursue now after another, your friends who are on Casa.
It's Papa, no, move on Casa.
On your friend now, I know my do me a phone, so I'm some about remove your phone, must have your
Mamma, nice, some intention.
Papa, do not think I will.
Uncle, I had the best woman, someone. Say, I'm the best. Why?